Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can add Afterpay to your big cartel. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in my big cartel dashboard. So as you can see, I have this little checklist that says getting started checklist. So if your account is new, you're going to find this checklist that you can follow in order to get started a lot easier. So there is the first step is to verify location and currency, add a product, explore shipping profiles, connect a payments processor, design your shop, and lastly launch your shop. So in order to add Afterpay, go right here to account. Once you click on account, you're going to be right here in your account page. You can edit your account from here. And if you scroll down, you're going to find get paid. So right here, you're going to find accept credit card with Stripe or accept payments with PayPal. So go ahead and click set up your payment option. And as you can see guys right here, you're going to find only two options, which is Stripe and accept payments with PayPal. So you can sign in to your Stripe account, connect it or link it to your Big Cartel account, and then you can get paid with a Stripe card. And if Stripe isn't available in your country like me, you can click on accept payments with PayPal, click on connect PayPal, and then connect it with your Big Cartel account. So I don't have it available in my country, so I'm going to click notify me, and you can get notified once Stripe is available in your country. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.